Hello everyone. Welcome to another lecture on reasoning ability and problem solving. In today's lecture, we will discuss some examples for age calculation. So in the previous lecture, we discussed that there are 5 types of questions that you can get from age calculations, and based on that, we will discuss some examples today. Okay, so let us start with example number 1. The ratio of Sita's and Rahul's age is 3:7. So the ratio is given. So I can say that Sita's age, if I assume is 3x, then Rahul's age will be 7x. Correct? 3x and 7x. This is the ratio. Now, if Rahul is 21 years old, so Rahul is 21 years old. Okay, we have to find the Sita's age after 3 years. Now, Rahul is 21 years old. That means 7x is 21. Correct? So, x will be how much? It will be 21 by 7, which is 3. So, the value of x we have found out, which is 3. I can put value of x in this. So, 3 into 3 will be 9. So, Sita's age will be 9. This is what? This is Sita's present age or their current age. If it is not mentioned in the question, we always assume that it is the present or the current age. So over here the ratio was given, but it was not mentioned which year's ratio it is. So we always assume that it is a present or a current age ratio. Now over here, what will be Sita's age after 3 years? So this is the present age. So after 3 years will be this. This is equals to 12. So answer will be very clearly option number 3, 12. Clear? Now, here is the solution. Example number 2. The current combined age of a father and his son is 60 years. So, let's say the age of father is represented by F, and let's say the age of the son is represented, the age of the son is represented by S. Okay. So, we are given in the question that father's age plus son's age is 60. This is their current ages. So, F and S is father's and son's current age. Now, this is given in the question. This is equation number 1. Now, 6 years ago, the father's age was 5 times the age of the son. So, we have to write this in the form of a equation. So, 6 years ago, that means F minus 6. Correct? The father's age was 5 times the age of the son. So, S minus 6. Correct? So, if I simplify this, I can say F minus 6 is 5S minus 30. This is how you open the bracket. First, you multiply F and S, and then you multiply F and 6. So, if I solve this, F will be equal to 5S. 6 going over here will make it how much? If 6 over here goes, it makes it positive. So, 5S minus 24. This will be my equation number 2. Now, if I simplify equation number 1, I can say that F is 60 minus S. Correct? This will be my new equation number 1. I have basically simplified this equation. So, if I look at equation number 1 and equation number 2, I can see both of them represent the value of F. So, I can say that 5S minus 24 equals to 60 minus S. Correct? If I take S over here, it will be 5S plus S, 6S. And if I take 24 over here, it will be 60 plus 24, which is 84. So, what will be the value of S? S will be 84 by 6. So, 6, 1 times will give me 6. 2 will be carried. And 6, 4 times will give me 24. So, value of S will be how much? 14. Correct? Now, in the question, we have to find the value. What will be son's age 4 years from now? 4 years from now means 4 years after. So, this is the current age of the son. Correct? If this is the current age, for 4 years from now, it will be plus 4, which will be 18. So, 18 years will be the age of the son after 4 years. So, answer will be option number 1, 18 years. Clear? How we did? So, basically in age calculations, you form equations, and you solve the equations, and then you will get the answers. Now, if you look over here, I have not found the value of f because this was not required in the question. So whenever you are solving questions for competitive exams, just solve how much is required for your question. You don't need to find the value of f because it is asked nowhere. So this is how you save time. Do not solve the entire question. If I could find the answer just by getting the answer of my s, just getting the answer value of my s, I will go with that. I will not solve the entire question to find the value of f. So this is how you solve questions on age calculation. Example number 3. When the son was born, the father was the same age as the son is now. The father's age currently is 38 years old. So this can be represented as, this is the father's age. If I remove the son's age, I'll get the son's age. Because over here, when the son was born, the father was the same age as the son is now. So if I remove the age of the son, I'll get the age of the son. So if I take x this side, I'll get 2x equals to 38. So x will be equal to 19. Now, we have to find out how old was the son 5 years ago. So this is the son's present age. Correct? This is the son's present age. So 5 years ago, son will be 19 minus 5, that is 14. So 5 years ago, the age of the son will be 14, which is given in option number 1. So, easy question. Example number 4. 3 years ago, Abhishek was 4 times the age of Babita. So 3 years ago, that means Abhishek's age, present age, is represented by A and Babita's present age is represented by B, let us say. So 3 years ago, that means Abhishek minus 3, he was 4 times the age of Babita. So Babita will be subtracted by present ages A and B. So old age will be minus 3 and minus 3. Correct? Now, if I open these up, I can write it as A minus 3 equals to 4B minus 12. So I can say A equals to 4B. If I take 3 over here, it will be plus. So minus 12 plus 3 will give me minus 9. This will be my equation number 1. In 7 years, Abhishek's age will be twice that of Babita. So Abhishek plus 7, twice that of Babita plus 7. Similarly, if I open the brackets, it will be 2B plus 14. So A will be equal to 2B, and if I take 7 over here, it will come negative. So 14 minus 7 will give me plus 7. So this will be equation 2. Equation 1 and 2, A value is given. So I can say that 4B minus 9 equals to 2B plus 7, correct? So if I take B over this side, 4B minus 2B will give me 2B. And if I take 9 over this side, it will turn positive. So 9 plus 7 gives me 16. Solving this, B's value will be 8. Correct? Clear? And if I put B's value in this equation number 2, A will be equal to 2 into B's value, which is 8 plus 7. So 16 plus 7. And this will be equal to 23. Correct? Now in the question, this is A's value. Sorry, this is B's value. And 23 is the A's value. In the question, we have to find the sum of their ages. This is the present value. A and B denotes their present value. So the sum of their age will be how much? 23 plus 8. This is equal to 31 years. So sum of their age is 31, which is given in option number 4. So option number 4 will be your correct answer. Clear? Example 5. 7 years ago, Asha was twice the age of Binod. So clearly 7 years ago, I can say Asha minus 7. She was twice the age of Binod 7 years ago. If I open this, it will be A minus 7 equals to 2B minus 14. If I take 7 this side, it will turn positive. So A equals to 2B minus 7. This is equation number 1. Now, Charu was born 7 years ago. That means Charu's current age will be 7. I am using A to represent Asha, B to represent Bino, C to represent Charu. So Charu was born 7 years ago. That means the current age of Charu will be 7. Now, the average age of Asha, Binod and Charu 5 years from now will be 30 years. So I can say the average age of Asha, Binod and Charu 5 years from now. That means 5 will be added to each of their ages. So 5 into 3. And average means divide by number of people. There are 3 people, Asha, Binod and Charu. So divide by 3 and it will be equal to 30 years. This is given in the question. So I can write it as how? I can write it as A plus B plus C plus 15 equals to 30 into 3, that is 90. And if I take 15 over here, I will have to subtract 15. This will give me 75. So I can say A plus B plus C equals to 75. Correct? In this equation, I know the value of C, which is 7. Correct? And from this equation, equation number 1, I know the value of A. A is 2B minus 7. So I can write 2B minus 7 plus B plus 7 equals to 75. Correct? In this equation, I have only one variable, which is B. So 3B, 2B plus B, 7 and 7. This will cancel out, equals to 75. Correct? So B will be how much? B will be equal to 75 by 3. 3, 2 times 6, 1, 5, 3, 5s are 15. So on cancelling this, I get 25. So value of B is 25. Now similarly, I can find the value of A as well, because we already have equation number 1. But what is asked in the question? The question asks what is the present age of B. Only this much. So this we have already find out that the present age of B is 25. So our answer will be option number 1, 25 years. Clear? So basically we got equations. We solved those equations to get the answer. Example 6. Now Anamika's and Jay's age is 4:9. So I can say, if I take A to represent Anamika and J to represent Jay, I can say Anamika's age is 4x. Similarly, Jay's age will be 9x. Correct? This is how I can represent. Now we are asked that if Anamika's is 36-year-old, that means A is 36 years old, we have to find Jay's age after 5 years. So 4x equals to 36. We have gotten this equation. That means x will be how much? X will be 36 by 4. This will give me 9. So if x equals to 9, what will be J's present age? This is current age. Okay. So 9 into 9 will give me 81. We have to find J's age after 5 years. So this is the current age. Correct? This is the current age. So after 5 years means plus 5. So this will be 86. So my answer will be option number 4, 86 years. Clear? Example number 7. So 2 years ago, A's age was 6 times the age of B. So A minus 2, 6 times the age of B. So B minus 2. Correct? 2 years ago, that means A minus 2. Similarly for B minus 2, and A was 6 times the age of B. So if I solve this and open the brackets, it will be A minus 2, 6B minus 12. So A will be equal to 6B. If I take 2 over here, it will turn positive. So 6B minus 10. This will be equation number 1. Now, 4 years later, A's age will be 4 times B's age at that time. So 4 years later means A plus 4. Correct? A's age will be 4 times the age of B. So B plus 4. So if I open it, it will be A plus 4 will give me 4B plus 16. So A will be equal to 4B plus, if I take 4 this side, it will turn negative. So it will be 4B plus 12. This is equation number 2. We have to find B's age 4 years from now. So just the value of B is required. So over here I can see these equations both are equal to A. So I can say that 6B minus 10 is equals to 4B plus 12. Correct? So if I take 4B that side, 6B minus 4B will be 2B. And if I take 10 this side, it will turn positive. So 12 plus 10 will give me 22. So what will be the age of B? It will be 11 years. This is the present age. Okay. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out 4 years from now. That means 4 years in future. So it will be 11 plus 4, that is 15. So B's age 4 years from now will be 15 years, which is given in option number 4. So option number 4 will be your correct answer. So question number 8. 5 years hence. Hence means from now or means after. Okay. So 5 years from now, the age of Anjali will be 3 times that of her daughter. So let's say Anjali's age is A and daughter's age is D. Present ages. So 5 years from now. So Anjali plus 5, it will be 3 times the daughter age. Okay, so if I solve this, if I open this, it will be A plus 5 equals to 3D plus 15. 3 into D and 3 into 5, 15. So if I open this, if I take 5 this side, it will be minus 5. So A will be equal to 3D plus 10. Correct? This will be equation number 1. Now, 4 years ago, Anjali's age was 6 times that of her daughter. So Anjali minus 4, it was 6 times daughter minus 4. Correct? 4 years ago. So if I open this, it will be A minus 4 equals to 6D minus 24. 6 into 4. Correct? So A's age will be equal to 60. If I take 4 that side, it will be positive. So it will be minus 20. A equals to 60 minus 20. This is your equation number 2. We have to find their present ages. So from this equation, I can say 3D plus 10 equals to 60 minus 20. Right? From equation number 1 and 2, I can say 3D plus 10 equals to 60 minus 20. So if I take 3D this side, it will be 60 minus 3D. This will be 3D. Correct? Or this will be 3D. This is D. And if I take 20 this side, it will be positive. So 20 plus 10 will be 30. So D will be 10. This is the age of daughter. Okay. And A's age we can simply find out. A's age, if I put in equation number 1, it will be 3 into 10 plus 10. In place of D, I have put in the age, which is 10. So it will be 30 plus 10, which is equals to 40. So Anjali's age will be 40 and daughter's age will be 10. This is given in option number 1. So option number 1 will be your correct answer. Clear? Question number 9. Question number 9. 5 years ago, Laila was, let's say Laila's present age is L. 4 times the age of Ritik. Ritik's present age is R. Okay, so 5 years ago. So Laila minus 5, it was 4 times the age of Ritik minus 5. So if I solve this, I can say L minus 5 equals to 4R minus 20. Correct? So L will be equal to, if I take 5 this side, it will be positive. So it will be 4R minus 15. This will be equation number 1. 6 years later, Laila's age will be 3 times of Ritik's age. So 6 years later, L plus 6 will be 3 times of Ritik's age 6 years later, R plus 6. So L plus 6 will be 3R plus 18. This is how you open the brackets. Correct? So if I take 6 that side, it will turn negative. So L will be equal to 3R plus 18 minus 6. That means plus 12. This will be equation number 2. We have to find the sum of their present ages. So if I take equation number 1 and equation 2, I can say that 4R minus 15 equals to 3R plus 12. Correct? So if I take 3R this side, it will be 4R minus 3R, which is R. And if I take 15 this side, it will be positive. So 15 plus 12 will give me how much? 27. Correct? This will be 15 plus 12, which is 27. So if R is 27, I can put it in equation number 2 to find the value of L. So L will be 3 into 27 plus 12. Correct? So 27 into 3 is how much? 7 into 3 times is 21. 3 into 2 is 6 plus 2, 8. 81. So this will be 81 plus 12, which is equals to 93. Correct? So Laila's age is 93 and Ritik's age is 27. So we have to find the sum of their age. So sum of their age will be 93 and 27. This will be 10 and 10 plus 2 is 12. So the sum of their age is 120, which is option number 1. So option number 1 will be the correct answer. Clear? Question number 10. Question number 10. 5 years ago, Rohan was thrice as old as Shweta. So let present age of Rohan is R and present age of Shweta is S. 5 years ago, that means R minus 5 was thrice the age of Shweta. S minus 5. So if I open this, I am taking small s to avoid confusion between S and 5. This is small s. So R minus 5 is 3s minus 15. This is how you open the bracket. If I take 5 this side, it will be positive. So it will be 3s minus 10. Correct? This is equation number 1. Now, 10 years later, Rohan will be twice as old as Shweta. So 10 years means R plus 10 and twice as old. So 2 times the age of Shweta. So Shweta plus 10. Correct? So if I solve this, it will be R plus 10 equals to 2s plus 20. This is how you will open the bracket. 2 into s and 2 into 10. So if I take 10 this side, it will come negative. So 20 minus 10. So it will be 2s plus 10. This is equation number 2. Now, from equation number 1 and 2, I can say 3s minus 10 equals to 2s plus 10. Correct? If I take 2s this side, it will be 3s minus 2s. So it will be s. And if I take 10 this side, it will be 10 plus 10, which is 20. So S age is 20. Now if I put this in equation number 2. So R age will be 2 into S age, which is 20 plus 10. So this will be how much? 2 into 20, 40 plus 10. So R's age will be 50. So the age of S and R will be 20 and 50. This is given in option number 2. So option number 2 will be the correct answer of this question. Clear? Question number 11. Question number 11. The ratio of Lalita's and Riya's age is 2:5. So I can say if Lalita's age is 2x, Riya's age will be 5x. Correct? This is how you work with the ratios. Now it is given to us that 8 years later, their age will be in the ratio of 2:3. So these are their current ages. These are their current age or their present age. It is given to us that 8 years later, their ratio will change. So I can say 2x plus 8 divided by 5x plus 8. This is how you represent ratio in the form of division. Their ratio will be 2/3. Now, I have to solve this to get the value of x and then I can find their ages. So if I solve this much, let me take this space. This is present age is 2x, Riya's present age is 5x. Okay, so if I solve this, it will be how much? This will be 2x plus 8 equals to 2 into 5x plus 8. This is how you solve equations. Correct? This will be taken this side and this will be taken this side. Now, if I open up the brackets, 3 into 2x will give me 6x. Similarly, 3 into 8 will give me 24. Similarly, 5 into 2 will give me 10x and 2 into 8 will give me 16. So now I have to take 6x this side. So 10x minus 6x and I have to take 16 this side will give me 24 minus 16. So 4x gives me how much? It gives me 8. So what will be the value of x? It will be 8/4, which is equal to 2. Clear? This much is clear how we found the value of x. So x value is equal to 2. Now we have to find the present values. So the present value of Lalita is 2x. That means 2 into 2, which is 4. Similarly, the present value of Riya will be 5 into x, 5 into 2, which was 10. Now in the question, we have to find the value of Riya after 4 years. So this is their present age. Clear? This is their present age, and we have to find the value of Riya after 4 years. So it will be 10 plus 4, which gives me 14 as the answer. So my answer will be option number 3, 14. Clear how we found out? So this was the solution. You can look at the solution over here also. Example number 12. Renu's mother is 26 years older than her. So if her age is X, let's say Renu's daughter age is X, then what will be Renu's mother age? Her means Renu. So if Renu's age is X, Renu's mother age will be X plus 26, correct? Because she is 26 years older than Renu, correct? Now, the product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. So, 3 years from now, these are their current ages. Current age of Renu is X and current age of Renu's mother is X plus 26. 3 years from now. So, 3 years from now plus age of Renu will be X plus 3 and age of mother will be X plus 26 plus 3, that is X plus 29. Clear? This will be their ages. The age of Renu will be X plus 3 and the age of Renu's mother will be X plus 29. It is given to us that the product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. That means X plus 3, this is Renu's age and Renu's mother age. If we multiply them together, we'll get as 360. So if I solve this, x into x, x square plus 29x plus 3 into x, 3x plus 29 into 3 will give me how much? 29 into 3. This is 27. 3 into 2, 6, 7, 87. It will give me 87 will be equal to 360. So this is looking like a quadratic equation, correct? So x square plus this will be 32x, and if I take 360 this side, it will be 360 minus 87, which will be 273. So minus 273 equals to 0. This is the equation. So if you know quadratic equation, you know that on solving this equation, we'll get two answers. One answers will be 7 and the other will be 39, minus 39. These will be the roots. On solving this equation, I'll get two roots, 7 and minus 39. Now, age can never be negative. Nobody is minus 1 years old and nobody is minus 4 years old. So, age can never be negative. So, minus 39 is eliminated. The only root which is valid is 7. So, x's value is 7. So, we have to find the Renu's present age. So, Renu's present age or their current age was represented by x. And x value is 7. So, our answer will be option number 2, 7 years old. Clear? If you want, this is a more detailed solution. So, from here you can see the solution. So, this concludes today's lecture. Thank you.